Welcome to our video on common mistakes to avoid as a beginner in affiliate marketing. We'll dive into these pitfalls and provide solutions to help you build a successful affiliate marketing business. First, not knowing your audience can be a major setback. Conduct thorough research to understand your audience's demographics, interests, and pain points. Use tools like Google Analytics, surveys, and social media insights to gather valuable data. Choosing the wrong products is another common mistake. Select items relevant to your niche with good reviews. Test the products yourself if possible and look for high gravity scores on platforms like ClickBank to ensure they convert well. Ignoring SEO best practices can hinder your success. Learn the basics of SEO, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, RFs, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords and optimize your content. Not building an email list is a missed opportunity. Use email marketing platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber to start collecting email addresses. Offer a freebie or lead magnet, such as an ebook or exclusive content, to encourage sign-ups. Overloading your content with affiliate links can be off-putting. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your content. Focus on providing value first and use links sparingly, ensuring they are relevant and beneficial to your audience. Not disclosing affiliate relationships can damage trust. Be transparent with your audience by including a disclosure statement on your website or within your content. This builds trust and complies with legal requirements. Finally, not tracking and analyzing performance can lead to missed opportunities. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, ClickBank's reporting tools, or other affiliate network dashboards to monitor your performance. Track metrics to identify what works and what doesn't. Thanks for watching.